Today I'm going to show you how to replace your outdoor water spigot or your outdoor faucet. So let's get right into the video. You take a look at how my spigot was before I replaced it. Clearly there was water just spewing out the back of the handle. That's not supposed to be that way. So I decided that I would take on a challenge of changing it out for the first time. Never done anything like this, but when I took it apart, I noticed that there was a broken stem valve. Clearly that wasn't supposed to be like that. That should help the water turn on and off. So I decided to disassemble it. I went inside the house to take a look at how it was connected to the existing copper water piping. I said, yeah, I think I can do this. So I watched a lot of videos throughout this process and I learned a lot. So I took a wrench and I twisted off the valve. I didn't realize that it was soldered to the existing copper water piping. But when I twisted it, it just popped right loose. I came outside and finished twisting it out. This is the old broken valve or water spigot. Took it to the local store and I found one that replaces it the exact same length, and that's my soldering kit. I've never soldered anything before in my life, so I was really excited about the challenge, or so I thought. So this is the new spigot. It's exactly like the old one, except it's new and it doesn't have a broken stem valve. So I thought it would be very simple. I placed it inside of the wall, slowly made sure that it was upright with the aerator at the top of the spigot. There you go. I went inside the house to make sure that I was able to connect it with the existing copper water piping. A lot of the video said to make sure that you clean the ends of both before you start soldering them together. So that's what I did with this steel wool. I connected the two together, and then I started soldering them together for the first time. After I soldered it, it was really hard to get to, but I did do it, and I was really proud of myself once I got it connected. I turned the water back on. Water was just dripping out right there at that 45-degree elbow. I was pretty frustrated because the water had been out for about an hour or so and watched a lot of videos, but I was determined to get this thing fixed. So I turned the water back off, dried everything off. I took a closer look and I saw that the 45-degree copper elbow was just ruined. It was twisted up, it was damaged. And that's the rest of the piping. So I clipped it in half so I can work with it outside and solder it. I bought a new 45-degree elbow piece and then I snapped it back together and I used solder. And look at that job. I soldered things together and I connected it to the new spigot. Everything works great. I snatched the tag off. Let's get the water in.